I know that I find subtopics. I know that people are searching for it. I know that if I can get the ROI below the cost per click on Google, then I can make some good money from it. Now let's think about monetization. Well, there's loads of options in this, as I've already mentioned. So all I would be doing is I'd be going onto Google and I would be finding some affiliate products that I would be able to promote. So the first of all, I'll show you exactly how I would do my research in order to be able to find affiliate offers that I could promote, and sponsors that I might want to talk to in the future, to network with, and then eventually get them to sponsor my newsletter. The other thing I will say, actually, before we move on to that, is if I'm going to use something like Beehive has their ad network, and ad networks are definitely going to have businesses in the finance niche that would want to sponsor my newsletter, as well as other ad platforms as well. So I know that there'll be people out there, sponsors and advertisers. So if I wanted to work with an ad network and pay them to help me find advertisers, I know that finance is a good niche for that. So let's get on to monetization. Okay, so the easiest thing that you can do in order to find out if you can monetize and you're going to make a decent amount of money from your idea. Now we know we're going to go down the finance investing niche. We're going to target women or tech startups, those tech founders, people in the tech niche. Then you just go and put finance affiliate programs. So put your niche and the word affiliate programs into search, and you'll be able to find tons of blog posts that have reviewed the different affiliate programs that are out there. You can just go through to these websites and check out which ones are going to be the best for your particular niche. Most affiliate programs let you sign up completely for free, and then you can just go and test them out. You want to be rotating your affiliate offers within your newsletter anyway. Find out what resonates. You don't want the links getting stale, because then people won't click on them. So that's the first thing that you can do. Just put your niche in, so finance or investing. And then what you can do is, like I said, you can visit these particular websites and decide if they're a good fit and see if you want to sign up for their affiliate programs. The other option that you've got is you can find a specific affiliate network. So ShareASale, for example, is a affiliate network. And what you can do is you can just sign up. All you've got to do is click here, sign up as an affiliate. And then you can find realtors that are out there. You can search by different categories here, and then you'll be able to find out what affiliate offers already exist, and then you can just put them into your newsletter. You've got all of the tracking links within the dashboard, and then you'll be able to get paid through this system. So it's super easy. There's others out there as well. Again, all you've got to do is search affiliate networks, and you'll be able to find a ton of them. Some of them are better than others. Some of them are a bit more professional than others. So you want to try and find a network that fits with your brand. You've got, as well as like people buying from you and you get that affiliate commission, you can get, there are networks out there where you can get paid if you can send clicks to particular offers.